Learn English to Khmer. What is with?
Ta chia với.
A curious start. Hey, you're about to learn one super useful Khmer question. If you can point at something mysterious, snack-shaped, or mildly suspicious, you can use it right away. Today's star phrase is, what is, in Khmer.
Ta chia với.
Think of it as your detective flashlight. You see a strange object, a weird button, or a fruit that looks like it came from outer space, and you ask.
Ta chia với.
Curiosity is now officially part of your language skills. Your main phrase. Let's make the phrase feel easy in your mouth and easy in your memory. Say it with a little curiosity, like you just found a glowing spoon. English. What is? Khmer.
Ta chia với.
The key word for what is.
À vậy.
That's the part carrying the big question mark energy. A simple memory trick. When you hear
Chia vậy.
imagine your brain saying, okay, but what is it though? Now repeat slowly.
Ta chia với.
Again.
Ta chia với.
Useful examples. Now you'll plug real words into the pattern. This is where the phrase stops being a grammar skeleton and becomes a living, useful question. What is this?
Ta ní chia với.
What is your name?
Taឈ្មោះរបស់អ្នកជាអ្វី?
What does that sound?
តើសំឡេងនោះជាអ្វី?
Notice this word.
នេះ
means this, and this word
នោះ
means that. So, what is this becomes,
តើនេះជាអ្វី?
and what is that would be.
តើនោះជាអ្វី?
Tiny comedy scene. Let's lock it in with a silly little story. Because your brain loves drama, snacks, and nonsense. You open your bag expecting to find your phone. Instead, you discover a glowing key, a rubber duck wearing sunglasses, and one heroic onion. You hold up the glowing key and whisper.
តើនេះជាអ្វី?
The duck remains emotionally unavailable. Then you hear a mysterious humming noise from the onion and ask.
តើសំឡេងនោះជាអ្វី?
Congratulations. You are now doing practical Khmer under highly unreasonable circumstances. Mini dialogue. Now hear the phrase in a quick conversation. You can imagine this in a market, a classroom, or next to a very confusing machine. A. What is this? B.
តើនេះជាអ្វី?
A. What is your name? B.
តើឈ្មោះរបស់អ្នកជាអ្វី?
A. What does that sound? B.
តើសំឡេងនោះជាអ្វី?
Yes, that second line is funny because people usually answer a name question instead of repeating it. But repetition helps you learn, and today we accept a little chaos. Quick quiz. Time for a fast check. Don't worry, this quiz is friendlier than a cat staring at a cucumber. How do you say, what is, in Khmer? Answer.
តើជាអ្វី?
What does
តើជាអ្វី?
mean in English? Answer. What is? How do you say, what is this? Answer.
តើនេះជាអ្វី?
How do you say, what is that? Answer.
តើនោះជាអ្វី?
Bonus. The Khmer word for what is.
អ្វី?
Tiny word, big job. Practice challenge. Now it's your turn. Pretend you're exploring the world with the curiosity of a tourist, a scientist, and a mildly confused raccoon. Point at one object near you and say.
តើនេះជាអ្វី?
Point farther away and say.
តើនោះជាអ្វី?
Imagine hearing a strange noise and ask.
តើសំឡេងនោះជាអ្វី?
Now say the full pattern one more time.
តើជាអ្វី?
Nice work. Friendly wrap up. You did it. One useful Khmer question is now living in your brain rent-free. Today you learned, what is, as.
តើជាអ្វី?
Plus handy examples like.
តើនេះជាអ្វី?
And.
តើសំឡេងនោះជាអ្វី
Thanks for listening and learning with me. Keep practicing, keep pointing at mysterious things, and keep using your Khmer out loud whenever you can.